I have been wanting to add security cameras around my house for a long time, but I wanted something that was easy to use and give me a full view of my property. This system checked a lot of boxes, so let's take a look together. This is what you're gonna get in the box. You will get 4 security cameras. They look like this. Also, each security camera comes with a power adapter. It comes with hardware to be mounted. Also, it comes with waterproof connectors. Also, in the box, you're gonna get the one hard drive recorder, HDMI cable, Internet cable, power adapter. That's the mouse. Also, you're gonna get a quick connect guide and also a full user manual. And also these stickers, you can put them on your front door, on the garage door, somewhere so people can see that you have those security cameras. Now I will connect this and I'll be back. Okay, I connected the NVR to the monitor. I use the HDMI cable. Also, I use the internet cable to connect it to my network at home. I added the mouse and now I'll show you how it looks on the monitor. The hard drive saves all of your video recordings, so you can go back and watch them later if you ever need to. A big advantage is that you don't have to pay a monthly subscription to store your videos because everything is saved right on the hard drive. The NVR prompts me to download an app that I can use on my phone. I will do that now and I'll be back. This is the app. It's downloaded and now I can access the recordings from the app. After I download the camera and I set up the time and date, it prompts me to this screen. And now I need to install my cameras and I'll be able to see them here. I'll start installing them and I'll be back. One thing I really like is that each camera has 2 lenses. You get a fixed wide angle view and a pan and tilt camera that can rotate 360 degrees and follow movements. That means you can see much more of your yard without adding extra cameras. This is how the camera looks. There are 2 antennas, and antennas you need to connect them with the Wi-Fi. If you don't want to use Wi-Fi, you can connect the camera here with the internet cable. In my case, I'll be connecting the camera with the Wi-Fi. Also, here it's the reset button for the camera, right here. And this one, you connect the power adapter. All 4 cameras, they're already connected to the DVR, so you don't have to do any setup, any connections. All you have to do is just plug in the power of the camera and then it will show up on the screen. I just plugged in one of the cameras in front of my house and when I came inside, it showed up already on my screen. These are the 2 lenses. One of them it's the static lens, this one, and this one you can see from here it's the 360 degrees lens. I will open it now on the full screen. From here you can move the camera and from here you can change the speed. You can zoom in, you can zoom in out, and you can go back to the regular screen. The cameras also have color night vision, motion alerts sent to your phone, 2-way audio so you can talk through the camera, and they are IP66 waterproof, so they are built to stay outside in rain, snow, and heat. That's very important for me because I live in Chicago and we have all 4 seasons. One thing I noticed right away is how clear the picture is. The video is sharp and I can see a lot of details, which is exactly what you want from a security camera. I'm going to install 2 cameras in front and 2 in the back of my house to get full coverage. Having cameras around my home makes me feel much more secure, and I love that I can check everything right from my phone.